We know that any number of the form p by q where p and q are integer is called a rational numbers. And we also know how to perform addition, subtraction, division and multiplications on rational numbers. Now today we are going to study about rational algebraic expressions. So let us first see the definition of rational algebraic expressions. Suppose A and B are two algebraic expressions. Then the expression of the form A upon B is called the rational algebraic expressions. And the operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on rational algebraic expression is similar to that of rational number. So let us now start with practice set 6.4, the first question. Now in the first question, we have two rational algebraic expressions and the operation between both the algebraic expression is multiplication. That means we have to multiply two rational algebraic expressions. So now take the first rational algebraic expression. The numerator of the rational algebraic expression is m square minus n square. So for these algebraic expressions, we can use the expansion formula a square minus b square. And we know that a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So now the numerator of the first rational algebraic expression becomes m plus n, m minus n. Now in this case, a is m and b is n. Keep the denominator as it is. Now in the second rational algebraic expression, keep the numerator as it is and use a formula for m cube minus n cube. Now for the denominator, that is m cube minus n cube, use the expansion formula a cube minus b cube. And we know that a cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So in this case, a is m and b is n. So now the denominator become m minus n, m square plus mn plus n square. Now you can see that some expressions in the numerator and the denominator of both the rational algebraic expression is similar. M minus n cancel out. M square plus mn plus n square and m square plus mn plus n square in the numerator and denominator cancel out. M plus n in the numerator of the first rational algebraic expression and m plus n. Now in the denominator it is square of m plus n. That means m plus n into m plus n. So 1 m plus n cancel out. But when you cancel m plus n in the denominator, you will not cancel m plus n. You will cancel the power 2. And then write the remaining. 1 into 1 is 1 upon 1 m plus n is left into 1 is m plus n. So the answer to the multiplication of the two rational algebraic expression is 1 upon m plus n.